welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Bear unboxing, so let's get right down to it. It's not quite. Vulpix. God, it's a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. Oh, it's really big. Oh, nice work. There's the fancy little tails there. Oh, he's so cute. Look at it. He's got his little athlete, he's got a little mark on his paw there. Ever so soft, really soft fur. It's like almost like minky. I don't know if you know that fabric, but it's very, very soft. And all of them's got the same, except for his little paws. They're more of a scratchier, like almost like a felt sort of thing. But he's very, very soft. Oh, he's lovely. He's kind of chunky. He's nice. So yeah. Oh wow, look at him. So cute. Look at the shapes of him. Little face, little nose. Oh, he's got a bit backy. There we go. There's his little nose. And his ears are also that same sort of scratchy fabric. And his eyes are the same. Apart from that, he's a super, super soft minky fabric, which is really, really nice. So very tactile. So yeah. Oh, super pleased with him. Oh, it's lovely. It's really sweet. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, could you click like? And if you're new here and you like Build-A-Bear unboxings and occasionally doll content, BJD content, Japanese snacks, all that cute stuff, all that loveliness. So if you like all that kind of like cute, slightly Japanese, slightly sort of like plushies and all sorts and anime goods and all that kind of stuff, maybe you want to hit subscribe for more content. I bring out a video every week, or try to, yeah, so maybe stick around for that. Okay, see you till next time. Okay, bye.